World Mouse Clicking Championship. Are you fast enough? This is what the video is going to be about, is this website right here. And I will actually, I need to put the URL. So I'm going to copy and paste this into a notepad since my screen capture is not taking the URL right there. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. If you guys can see that, that's where this mouse clicking thing is, and I will also put this in the description too. So that's that right there. Don't save. And pretty much this video is going to be all you do is just press start. You start clicking. So start, and all you do is just click away. You know, are you fast enough with the clicking? I got 56. They only give you 10 seconds. 56, and it says that's some hot clicking action there. You know, so I can try it again real quick. You know, let's see. I kind of messed up right there. That time is not so great. Let's try one more time. Now it looks like the first time was the best, but I'm not going to bore you guys with clicking, you know. But I just want to share this, guys. Share this website with you guys. So it's World Mouse Clicking Championship. Are you fast enough? If you get 140, you rule the game. You know. So there you go. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment. If you please leave what you got. You know, on this game in my comments below, and that would be awesome. Share this on Facebook, and I will talk to you guys later. You guys take care now.